Hey folks, welcome to Localportal.io. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to get started with our service. So here's our landing page. I'm already signed in. Let's go to the dashboard. Great, we are on the dashboard. Now let's talk links. Links are the first-class citizens in Localportal. They are unique names you reserve to connect your machine to our service. When you create a link, we reserve a free subdomain with your link name. Keep in mind, you can only connect one machine at a time to a given link. You can create a new link by clicking this button here, but let's do the CLI way. Since running the CLI command is necessary to connect your machine anyway, you can find the necessary commands in the Kickstart pop-up here. Since I'm on Mac, I'll get the brew command, but if you're on a different OS, this pop-up should show the right command. Alright, CLI is almost installed. Let's go back to our pop-up to copy the login command. Sweet. We are in. Now let's take this machine online, copying the command to connect your machine to Localportal. Instead of the placeholder, I'll use a link name GPU. This command will create a link with the name GPU if the link doesn't exist, and then connect your machine to that link. But if it does already exist, this command would just connect the machine to that link. Back to the dashboard, your link is active. Localportal currently provides two connectables. It allows you to expose your local web server and lets you connect you to the terminal. Let's access the local web server with a public HTTPS URL. At this point, you have connected your machine to Localportal but haven't asked it to expose a web server. For that, you need to provide the port number you want to expose. Let's use a second terminal on my local machine to run an X.js application. By default, it runs on 3000. And now we can go back to the dashboard and update the port number. Public URL for the exposed service is available on this button. It's made up of the name of your link and the address of the link server your machine is connected to. In our case, it's localportal.link. Also, notice the automatically provisioned HTTPS certificate. Okay, let's move on to instant terminal access. Click this button and you have got a terminal right in your browser. Every request from your browser goes through a zero-trust middleware, hence no one else can access your terminal other than you, unless you decide to share it with other people. So even without SSH keys or any of that jazz, you are securely connected to your machine's terminal. Alright, that's it for now. You're all set to use localportal.io. Any questions? Hit us up here. Thanks for watching.